Rogelio Valero. Can I have parties announced for the record? For the state,
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
defense.
Robert Geary, Your Honor, for Defendant Rogelio Valero Jr., and we're ready.
Are you Mr. Valero?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, we have, Judge.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Valero, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Valero, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trials? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights? All right, you're whispering.
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? All right, you're whispering.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe that he does, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe that he was. And
Miss-
is.
Mr. Valero, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you
Pause here. A second-degree felony with a 220-year range is no joke, even though this sounds calm. This is the moment where freedom and prison are both technically on the table.
to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, there have not, Judge.
Outside the plea, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and the DOEP course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with its attachments.
Defense is reviewed, Your Honor. We have no objections.
All right, states you may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we have.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, just in regards to my client's financial status at the moment, this cause arose out of a situation where he was being evicted from his longtime home. He had been terminated from his place of employment. Since then, he was dutifully been trying to find employment. He has been unsuccessful at the time, but is still on it and trying to get employed. We would like the court to take that into consideration when rendering the sentencing at this time. My client has the utmost confidence that he can and will abide by all the provisions of deferred adjudication, Your Honor. It's just that any assistance in the matter of financials currently would be much appreciated.
All right, thank you. How long have you been unemployed?
2 years,
All right, how do you support yourself?
side jobs.
All right, so you're gonna have to get employment, you
Yes,
understand?
I've been doing that now.
And I know it's hard,
Yes, but
but I see signs all the time for employment at McDonald's, and McDonald's actually has a great benefits plan.
been doing all of the above.
All right. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right,
This part matters more than people realize. Deferred adjudication sounds like mercy, but it's conditional mercy. One violation later and the court can come back with the full hammer up to 20 years.
you staying with someone now?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
A friend.
Who is this friend?
He's a longtime friend, childhood friend.
All right, so is he in the witness protection program or
Oh,
something?
no.
So what's his name?
Juan Martinez.
All right. So probation, he says he's living with someone by the name of Juan Martinez. All right. And if you're drug
I've
tested,
also applied for housing also.
okay. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Uh,
And here's the thing,
Not
before
good.
you, not good?
Mm.
All right. Positive for what?
Marijuana.
No, is,
Marijuana, ma'am.
and what else?
That should be.
No. Here's the thing, probation will UA you today.
Oh, yes.
So marijuana and what else?
Controlled substance, ma'am. The
And
last
what
one.
substance would that be?
Um,
Yes, you have to tell me. What would it be?
meth, ma'am.
Okay. That wasn't hard. Here's the
No,
thing,
it's just-
you've got to admit what
Yes,
your issues
Yes,
are.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There's no need to be embarrassed because guess what? Everybody in this courtroom is working on improving their life.
Yes.
Nobody in here is perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
So where you are now, hopefully, after you've completed this probation successfully,
Yes, ma'am.
you will not be back here.
Correct.
5 years deferred adjudication, $1,000 fine probated, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. You need to be honest with them. And the way you were being wishy-washy with me, you cannot be wishy-washy with them. You need to let them know what your issues are. That is a good program if you work the program
Yes, ma'am.
honestly. They will help you with housing. They will help you with your drug issues. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if the person you're staying with has a drug issue, you all should not be living together.
That's, yes.
I'm going to want field visits one time per month until in treatment. If he's not accepted in felony drug court, I'm going to want a TAP evaluation and follow TAP recommendations. I'm going to want the UA hotline until further notice. 120 sober meetings and 120 days. We'll hold off on the DOEP course until we figure out what the TAP evaluation said or probation says. There's going to be 120 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to require you to do a work program. Once you complete the work program, the court will deem the community service hours satisfied. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Judge, just to confirm, you said 120 community service hours?
No, 100 community service hours.
Thank you, Judge. Nothing else.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We can go off the record. Here's the thing. In order to be successful, you need to be honest with the court. Oh, and you're on lunch break. You need to be honest with the court.
Yes, ma'am.
If there's an issue, if you feel as though you're going to use, guess what? Talk to your probation officer. That's the only way you're going to be successful. Talk to them and say, I think I'm going to use. Or even if you do use, tell them, maybe I've used. Guess what? They're going to try to get you treatment. If you feel there's an issue and they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm here mostly every day except for weekends. All right? So remain in the courtroom. Probation will go over conditions with you. And everyone else, we're on lunch break.
Judge,
Yes,
was it 4 or 5 years?
five.
Five, okay. I didn't hear. I
Sure.
don't hear so good.
All right. Have you conferred with the state?
I have, Judge. State has made an offer that would include the misdemeanor, which is set next week. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that downstairs next week on his misdemeanor day, Judge.
All right.
Notice that waiver of appeal. Once he signs this, there are almost no second chances. No, my lawyer messed up. No rewinds. This is the point of no return. Would you take this deal?
State?
Yes, Judge, we made an offer on both cases, but it took all for them to go and take an offer in this.
All right. So when is that? What date?
I believe it's June 12th, if I remember correctly, Judge.
I didn't look at the specific date on this, because I know it was the.
All right. Can someone look up for me and tell me when the misdemeanor case is set on Prinking? How do you pronounce your name?
Ring K,
Prinke and the last name?
Van Fumi.
Van Fumi. Okay. At least I had that part right.
I have it in my calendar.
Oh, yes,
12th,
it's
Judge.
June 12th. All right, so what we'll do is we'll reset this for June 12th. I'll make a notation in my, on the docket sheet that you're to go to misdemeanor court first, and then you'll come here. All right, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, they're coming back on June 12th, but he's going to go to misdemeanor court first. Once you have the reset form, your excuse.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a good morning.
You too. Ruben Torres?
Your Honor.
Yes.
We're gonna need an interpreter, and I did not tell your coordinator, clearly.
All right, is your client a citizen?
He is not sure.
All right, we will find out. Oh, okay, we'll just have a seat. And did you let them know now?
I did, Your Honor. I apologize.
All right, thank you. All right, David Perales. All right, so where are we on this case?
Your Honor, if I may explain briefly.
Yes.
For Mr. Perales, the only felony appointment letter I've gotten on him is for continuous family violence, which evidently was dismissed and reduced.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got the notice evidently because we found that out today, or we're trying to figure that out. But I got the notice today to be here for this hearing on the CTD side. We
Okay,
had it worked out, but we'd like a plea deadline date so we can talk through it and he can talk to his family, because I found out about these two cases today.
okay. Paul, yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt. The other case is actually set for July 9th. I don't know, when they dumped everything over, it's getting different tickets.
They did give us two dates. One was set for today and one for July 9th, Judge. We're gonna try to get everything.
All right, so this is what I'll do. I'll put it on July 9th.
That's fine, Judge.
And if y'all want to come forward sooner, just let the coordinator know.
Good, Judge. Thank you very much.
All right, so what is this tattoo, no love? Do you have no love, or people are not giving you any love, or
I got this tattoo years ago, man.
when? How old were you?
I was like 18, 19. I'm
Do
30
you
now.
still, do you still want to keep that?
No,
Okay.
no.
I'm always curious about tattoos because I'm wondering, one, do people regret having them? Do they still want to keep them? And sometimes I want to know what the meaning of it was. So what were you going on at that time in life? Were you?
Erase the legal nuance. The judge finds him guilty but defers the conviction. That means compliance equals a clean exit. Failure means this case comes roaring back.
Locked up for the first time.
I'm sorry?
I was locked up for the first time. I was just going through some things, I guess, in my own mind. You know what I mean? I was gonna go to time, I thought, and I don't know. I just went wild, I guess.
Okay. All right. We'll see you back on July 9th. Okay.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right. Thank you.
Excuse Your Honor.
Yes. All right. Joshua Alcaraz. All right. Could I see a prosecutor? And this is a PR bond. Court is calling NIBAG number 764003, State of Texas versus Joshua Alcaraz for the state.
Zach Dunn for the state.
All right. This is a violation report. This is the second violation report. The defendant has not reported to pretrial services. The court allowed the defendant a chance to report, and the court gave the defendant 7 days to obtain compliance. He has not. According to the report, pretrial services officers have reached out to all of the collateral contact information that was provided. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, he is not in the hallway.
State?
The state would respectfully request a bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
All right, the court will grant a judge's warrant, remand the defendant without bond.
TFTM.
Oh, it's, yes, and it's a PR bond. Court is calling night mag number 754466, State of Texas versus Robert Flores for the state.
Zach Dunn for the state.
All right, the attorney on this is Marissa Giovinco. Marissa Giovinco contacted the court and said that she has had no contact with the client. This is the second violation report. Pretrial services said that they have attempted to make contact with the defendant. The court gave the defendant 15 days to comply, and pretrial services said they still have no contact with him. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, there's someone in the hallway.
State?
Your Honor, the state would respectfully request a bond forfeiture.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant and remand the defendant without bond. If he makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
This is one of the most honest courtroom moments you'll hear. The judge isn't shaming him, she's demanding accountability. Progress starts with admitting the problem. No truth, no second chance. And now the blueprint is set: drug courtesting, treatment, employment meetings. This isn't punishment, it's structured pressure. Question is, will he work the program or will we see him back here?